Sedums, commonly known as stonecrops, are a versatile and low-maintenance group of succulent plants that can add beauty and texture to your garden. With their vibrant foliage and striking flowers, sedums are excellent choices for both novice and experienced gardeners. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps of growing sedum in your garden, from selecting the right varieties to caring for them year-round. Selecting the right sedum varieties. Before diving into the cultivation process, it's essential to choose the sedum varieties that best suit your garden's conditions and your aesthetic preferences. Sedums come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, so you have plenty of options to explore. Here are some popular sedum varieties to consider. Sedum spectabile, showy stonecrop. This classic variety features large, flat clusters of star-shaped flowers in shades of pink, red, or white. It's perfect for attracting pollinators to your garden. Sedum spurium, dragon's blood stonecrop, known for its red or dark green foliage. This sedum variety forms a dense mat and produces bright pink, star-shaped flowers in late summer. Sedum kamchaticum, orange stonecrop. As the name suggests, this sedum variety offers vibrant orange flowers that create a stunning contrast with its succulent green foliage. Sedum rupestre, Angelina stonecrop. Its vibrant, needle-like foliage changes from bright green to golden yellow and even orange in the fall. It makes an excellent ground cover. Sedum ternatum, wild stonecrop, native to North America. This sedum variety is perfect for shady spots and features white, star-shaped flowers in spring. Sedum sieboldi, October daphne, with its rosette-like, blue-green foliage and pink or white flowers. This sedum variety adds elegance to your garden, creating the ideal growing conditions. Sedums are hardy and adaptable plants, but they thrive best when provided with the right growing conditions. Here's how to create the ideal environment for your sedums. Sunlight. Most sedums prefer full sun to thrive and produce vibrant foliage and flowers. Ensure your chosen planting location receives at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Soil. Sedums are not particularly picky about soil, but they do best in well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. If your soil is heavy and retains moisture, consider amending it with sand or perlite to improve drainage. Watering. Sedums are drought-tolerant once established, but they need regular watering during their initial growth period. Water deeply, but infrequently to encourage deep root growth and prevent root rot. Once established, water sparingly, especially in rainy seasons. Spacing. Space your sedum plants according to their mature size, typically between 6 inches to 2 feet apart, depending on the variety. This ensures good air circulation and prevents overcrowding. Planting sedums. Now that you've chosen your sedum varieties and prepared the growing conditions, it's time to plant your sedums. Timing. The best time to plant sedums is in the spring or early summer when the soil has warmed up. Avoid planting during extreme heat or cold. Digging holes. Dig holes that are slightly larger and deeper than the root balls of your sedum plants. This gives them room to grow without crowding. Planting. Place the sedum plants in the holes, ensuring they are at the same depth as they were in their containers. Backfill with soil and gently pat it down to remove air pockets. Mulching. Applying a thin layer of mulch around your sedums helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain a consistent soil temperature. Caring for your sedums. Once your sedums are in the ground, here's how to care for them throughout the year. Watering. During the first growing season, keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Established sedums require less water, so only water when the soil is dry to the touch. Fertilizing. Sedums generally do not require much fertilizer. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer applied in early spring can provide the necessary nutrients. Pruning. Prune back dead or faded flower heads to encourage more blooms and maintain a tidy appearance. In the late fall or early spring, you can cut back the entire plant to promote new growth. Winter protection. Sedums are quite hardy, but in harsh winter climates, it's a good idea to cover them with a layer of mulch to protect the roots from freezing temperatures. Pest and disease control. Sedums are generally pest-resistant, but keep an eye out for aphids, mealybugs, or slugs. Treat any infestations promptly. Well-drained soil helps prevent root rot and fungal diseases. Propagation. If you want to expand your sedum collection or share these lovely plants with friends and neighbors, you can propagate them easily. Division. In the early spring, divide established sedum clumps by gently lifting the plant and separating it into smaller sections. Replant the divisions as you would with new sedum plants. Leaf cuttings. You can also propagate sedums from leaf cuttings. Snip a healthy leaf, let it callus for a day or two, then plant it in well-draining soil. Keep it lightly moist until roots develop. Growing sedums in your garden is a rewarding experience that adds texture, color, and interest to your landscape. With their resilience and low-maintenance nature, sedums are perfect for both beginner and experienced gardeners. By selecting the right varieties, providing the ideal growing conditions, and following proper care practices, you can enjoy the beauty of sedums in your garden year after year. Whether as ground cover, accent plants, or in rock gardens, sedums are sure to become a cherished part of your outdoor space.